Hello guys, so in this video I will share with you how to buy ice cream or some drinks from the vending machines. As you can see here, we have vending machine for ice creams, different flavors with the green tea, vanilla, chocolate, mango, and cookies, and a lot of strawberry here. This is another vending machine for drinks. You can buy soft drinks, water, tea, apple juice, orange, grape. And then here you have another vending machines for some snacks, sweet snacks, because we are in Harajuku actually. So I have decided to take this one. So what I will do is these having a number, so number 1, number 3, number 5, 7, 11, 13, 15. So what I will do is I will type that, and here where you can buy, you can the numbers here. Mine will be 11, so I'll get 11 1 and then press this key. Then we can see here this is taking off, getting up, and it will be ready. Number 11, yes, got it here, it's ready. Okay, and then we take it from here. Oops. Here we go. Chocolate brown. Yeah, looks good. Let's try it. See you in a different video.